Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and like my videos, and please comment me your queries or any suggestions so I can improve on my upcoming videos. If you want to learn new topics, please let me know so I can able to like provide you with the particular topics. So fine, coming to our topic, today we have already posted the post market report. Okay, so whoever not watched, please watch the post market report video. Then come to this video. This is for tomorrow levels, where to entry, where to exit. So tomorrow is more important, like expiry day. So for beginners, please don't trade on first off on expiry day. Please wait for a clear trend, because expiry day is premium erosion will be happen. So normally it will be huge erosions happening on first off. So there is no improvement if there is no movement on your charts and like on your tradings. So wait for the trend and clear view, then you enter to the market. And whatever you are trading, like Nifty or Banknifty, please wait for your setup to come. Okay, so don't chase your charts or candles to get more profits kind of attitude. Okay, because it will be come to the result with losses. Okay, because market won't be like predict 100% by anyone. Okay, it will be like 50 or 60% only, but we have to follow the levels, we have to analyze the charts, so everything will be there. So as my view is for education purpose, but you have to analyze the charts, you have to trading on your own decisions, own experience only. Okay, don't trade with someone's advice, because it's your money. Okay, so okay, coming to our topic, like this is the levels for tomorrow. Like the line which I have drawn in 41,705. Okay, so these levels need to break. It's already broken today, but tomorrow we are not sure whether it will be opening gap up or gap down. We are not sure about that. So wait for the clear breakout on this level. Okay, once it's broken, then if started retracement to long position, please wait after the breakout of the previous day high here. Okay, this level, once it's breakout like this, then you can take trade up to this level. Okay, but not in the first half. If first half itself it is a trending day, the movement is good, then you can. Okay, but on the second half only, normally the trading trending day will be happen normally on expiry days. So wait for the clear view. Once it's broken and started moving here, then take trade with good stop loss as per your risk and rewards. Okay, so we need to follow the risk management on everyday tradings. Okay, so once it's started retracement from here and moving above, then you can go for long position. This is the first level target, 41,936. Book the profit here, or if you want to wait, please trailing your stop loss, and then follow this trend up to here 942 169. Okay, this is a second level target booking place. Okay, so after 80 percentage move, please follow the trailing stop loss to protect your profits and also the capital. Okay, because market will reverse at any time. So this is for long position. Okay, once broken the today high and also taken this retracement from here, then you can go for the long. Okay, and for short position, here I have marked these levels. Okay, the stop loss, this red zone is stop loss, green is our profit booking uh, distance. Okay, so this is for short position. Once we have taken the short position from here, like previous day low, that is today's low. Once broken the previous today's low here, okay, and start retracement, and it will come here if morning itself, or if it is second half, it's like a trending means it will come directly. Okay, so if it is broken and coming down means, then you can go for short position. It will come up to here for first profit booking. Okay, then book your profits or trailing your stop loss. Then it will go up to next level here 41 150. You can mark it as 41 150, this zones. Okay, the first level target will be this support level 41 261. Okay, you can book your profits and trailing your stop loss to get more profits. Okay, this is for short position and this is for long position. Please mark the levels and analyze on your own strategies, own method, then start trading. Please don't chase the charts or candles. Wait for your setup to come, then start trading. Okay. See you tomorrow evening after the expiry day. We'll see how it will going to happen. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.